Good morning, students. Now, this is our second chapter, that is Windows 7. Windows has simplified the task of managing data in computer. The data in a computer is organized in the forms of files and folders. Means if we want to organize our data, then we use files and folders. Then in Windows, we can locate our files and folders either in document folder or in Windows Explorer. Clear? Document folder is more convenient for viewing a folder or window at a time. Window Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing files in a computer. Clear? Windows Explorer enables you to display directories structure that includes drives, folders and files. Now, how we can open Windows folder? Windows Explorer. Clear? For this, you have to simple click on start button, write here WIND, and it will display Windows Explorer option here. Click on this option and it will display Windows Explorer option. Clear? Now it have two panes are there. Now two panes are there. This is the left pane and this is the right pane. Clear? Anything that we select in the left pane will display it in the right pane. Clear? And there is a mark option. When we click on any folder here, clear, then it will display another options in there. Clear? Suppose I click on this. Now libraries option. Clear? Now this symbol is byte here. Clear? When we click on this, means it will display options. Now this symbol is a black symbol, means field symbol is there. Clear? Next question. Next is viewing files or folders. Clear? Windows provide many ways to arrange and identify your files. Clear? While you are viewing them. Clear? The information can be viewed in different modes by clicking on the drop down arrow. Clear? Or more option located in the toolbar. Clear? Extra large and large option. Clear? Means when we click on this option, clear, on the right hand side of this there is an option of more option. Clear? Click on this and it context menu will display and it will a lot of options like extra large options, extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, detail, tiles, content. When we click on extra large icons, then it will display a very extra large icons, and when we click on large icons, then it will display a simple large icons. Clear? This is your small icons, this is your list, this is your detail, and it will display the detail when it will modified and which type of file or folder is it. Clear? Another is tiles, it will display the data in the form of tiles. Clear? Another is content, it will display the content, full content, means time also it will display at which time it will be modified. Clear? But the main is the list. Clear? It's your choice, you can view it in any way. Clear? In any mode. Clear? First is your extra large and large icons. They display gigantic and large icons of the files and folders. These two can be very careful when working with images and video files. Clear? Next is medium icons. It displays the files and folders as medium sized icons, giving you a better idea of the content. Small icons, it displays you file and folders as small icons without a preview of its contents. Clear? The file name is displayed next to the icon. Clear? List view displays the contents as the list of files or folders, names preceded by small icons. This view is useful if your folder contains many files and you want to scan the list for a file name. You can show your file name or files or folders in the view. Detail view provides detailed information about your files and folders like name, font size and date modified. Clear? Tiles, it displays files and folders and medium sized icons. It also displays the basic information of the files present, such as its size and type. Clear? Content, it display each file and folder on a separate row along with the detailed information like date modified, size, clear, author, etc. Clear, at time which it will be modified. Clear? Next is working with the control panel. Clear? Control panel is a system folder using which you can make changes in the appearance and current settings of Windows. Clear? First of all, how will we open control panel? To open the control panel, first of all click on start button. When you click on start button, a start menu will appear. Right here control. When you write here control, it will display options. Click on control panel option. When you click on control panel options, clear, there are many options, clear, like system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts and family safety, clear, appearance and personalization, clock, language and reason, clear, easy of access. There are many options are there. We can work with any options. Clear? First of all, I want to change our date and time. Suppose your date and time is wrong on your PC and you want to update your date and time. Then for that, click on categories and click on small icons. Clear? You can also click on large icons. Clear? Now all the icons will display to you. Now you want to change the date and time. Clear? For that, you have to search here where is the option of date and time. Clear? Search here where is the option of date and time. This is option of date and time. Click on this option. When you click on this option, a dialog box will appear. Clear? And there are many tabs like date and time, additional, clear and clear. Another option is also there, and there is one more option, that is the change date and time. Click on this option. When you click on this option, a date and time settings dialog box will appear. Here you can select any date, clear, and select the time here like the hours, minutes, seconds from up and down arrow, and click on OK button. Clear? When you click on OK button, your date and time will be changed, and you can also see the changed date and time in the taskbar, right hand side of the taskbar. Clear this? Clear? Next is, your next topic is about fonts. Clear? About fonts. Clear? How we can work with the fonts, how we can add a new font, how we can delete our font. Clear? How it will work now? Fonts. Clear? The characters used in typing the text that use the same design as called fonts. Font settings are used to change the display of text on the screen and the printed text. You can also use font settings in control panel to view and new fonts, to delete existing fonts, etc. Clear? There are many options are there. Clear? Fonts are, suppose I want to open the font here. Now search here the font option. This is your font option. Click on this. When you click on this option, it will display a lot of fonts that are already installed in our PC. Clear? These are the fonts that are already installed in our PC. When we double click on that font, it will display us. Clear? And when we want to install any font, double click on that folder and click on install button. Our fonts will automatically be installed. Suppose you want to delete any font from your PC, from your control panel, then select that font, those you want to delete, and click on the delete options. Here is the delete option. Clear? Click on this option. When you click on this option, your font will be deleted from your PC. Suppose you want to add another font, then click on the folder where your font. Suppose like this is our font, suppose. Clear? Then right click on it, clear, and copy it. When you copy it and go to the fonts of in control panel and right click on it and click on paste. When you click on paste, your font will be pasted here. Clear? Now these are the options how we can add our new font. Clear? How we can delete our new font. If you want to take a printout of any font, then double click, open that font. Clear? Then click on print option. Clear? And take also a printout of that option. Clear? Next thing, the next topic is suppose something will arise and your mouse is not working. Something will happen and suppose your mouse is not working. In that case, what will we do? Clear? तो उस टाइम पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Clear? Assume that you are doing some important work on your computer and all of a sudden the mouse stops working. All the trouble holding skills are of no help. don't be panic. Clear. Windows has a feature to help you out of the problem. Follow these steps to make your keyboard function like a mouse. Clear. How? Open the control panel. Click on start button. Right here control, CONTROL. Clear. Control panel. Clear. There is an option of easy of access center search. This is click on this option.
In this section.
When you click on this option, there is an option of make the mouse easier to use. Click on this option. When you click on this option, check this option here, turn on mouse keys. Check this box, and after you click on set up mouse keys option. Clear. And see here, this will also done with the help of one more shortcut key, that is the Alt plus left shift plus numlock. Be sure that when you use this option, your numlock is in on position. Alt shift and numlock. And you can also specify the option here, use mouse keys when numlock is on or off. Means when we use the mouse keys from our keyboard. Clear. Whenever numlock is on or off position, select the option on here and click on OK. Clear. And click on OK. And all the settings will be done. Clear. See your keyboard. In my keyboard there is no numeric keypad is here. Clear. But in your keyboards there is a numeric keypad. Clear. And you also know about your numeric keypad. Clear. That numeric keypad also contains the numlock. Clear. And there are arrow buttons on your, there is an arrow buttons also on your numeric keyboards, like 4 number button contains the left arrow button, 5 number button contains the right. Clear. Clear. When you click on 4, press the 4. Clear. The mouse moves to the left side. Clear. When you press the 6, the mouse moves to the right side. When you press the 5 number button, clear, then it will work like our enter button. Clear. Our next topic is using on-screen keyboard. How we can use our on-screen keyboards? Means suddenly our keyboard is not working. Suppose our keyboard is not working, then how can we use our on-screen keyboard? For that, you have to click on start button with your mouse and right here on, SCREEN, screen. When you write on screen, there is an option of on screen keyboard. Click on this option and it will display as a on screen keyboard. Clear. Suppose I open your notepad. Okay, suppose you want to write here. With the help of on screen keyboard, you can also press the shift button and A. Clear. This will work like our original keyboard. Clear. You can also work from here. Clear. Thank you.